Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do a winner's drawing for a challenge that we had in our Facebook group. But first of all, I want to say Happy Valentine's Day to all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful day with the people you love. Like I said, this is the drawing for the winner of the Matters of the Heart challenge that run in the Facebook group. It ended and I made this journal using the freebies of the Matters of the Heart kit and also the kit itself, and in the kit are also the freebies included, 3 pages of the freebies. There are 4 freebie pages, and the fun thing about this kit is there are hearts in it and there are some Valentine themed images, but it's really a shabby chic type of journal kit, so you can use it in other journals too. Yeah, I'm going to do a really quick flip through in case you missed it. This is the closure. It wraps around this journal. I'm not going to into every detail because I have a flip through, but I have these on the front. These are you can move them. Tags, journaling cards, added the word, and I have this. I showed you in the flip through video, so if you want to check out all the details, you can watch that one. I made a pocket over here, and in here a little pocket. No, this is 1 page, and I have 2 of those over here. 3 little pieces in here. It's not a large journal, but it's a fun journal to do your monthly spreads in, like something like this. It's big enough to write in for a month, maybe 2. I have the signature page like this. This is fabric. It's sort of 3D fabric. I thought it looked nice. I never done anything like this. Next page and a little envelope. There are little tiny bits and pieces of the kit in it. And this page, and a tuck spot over here. And this is the final page. And at the back I have this bag that is wrapped around with a not a triangle. It's not a square, but it's a long shaped how do you call it? Doily, paper doily. And I have a video on how I made this, but this is a journal, and I'm going to send it to the lucky winner that will, well, I'm going to pick the winner now, so we will know within a few minutes, I think. I did put all the names in the wheel picker, and I have it on my phone this time because I have something to do with my setup at the desk right now. So I thought I will do it on my phone. I put in all the names. This is the wheel picker, and now I'm going to draw the winner. Because there are a lot of entries. Some of you did multiple entries, so they are all in. They are checked by me and by Joan. Okay, I'm going to draw the winner. I hope you can see. And the winner is Sherry Evans. So congratulations, Sherry. You won this journal. You have to contact me to send me your address where I can ship the journal to. And thank you all for joining in. It was a lot of fun seeing you all enter. Again, this is the winner, Sherry Evans. Another thing I want to share with you, I worked a little bit more on the blue journal. This one you already saw. I did some sewing around the tags. They do need a spot. I just put them in over here. Other tags that I did some sewing. And But I did some work on the pages, not a lot because I didn't have much time, like putting on laces and everything. I think you already saw this one, and I have to do something with this. I don't know yet what I'm going to do, but I try to keep it in the theme, like sticking out laces. I don't know how to explain, but over here it sticks out, this one sticks out. I have this one with a button, so I try to do it a little bit smaller on the pages too. I thought, well, that is nice if there's something dangly on the bottom of the pages. So I'm going to work some more this week. My sewing machine was broke. I did manage to fix it, but it's not really working well, so it will be to the repair guy this week, and hopefully he can fix it so I can craft this weekend. And yeah, this is the blue journal I'm working on. I have a lot of projects on my mind, but the other thing I want to share with you is I made a new kit. It's a sewing kit, sewing themed, and I don't have a name. And I have a video of the pages. I made some sort of promo video so people can enter this giveaway. But maybe it's fun to show you the pages on here also. There are very bright colors in this kit, and I have to say I really enjoyed working on it. And I had a few pages on my computer for months, but finally I finished it. So yeah, I'm going to show you the pages, and then I'm going to explain how the name giveaway will work. But this is the first page. This one is was on my computer for months. I made this months ago. And I have this page. This is also one of the pages that started the whole kit. And as you can see, there's no logo because I don't have a name. These are the tags and some buttons, some ephemera pieces, again with no name because I don't have a name. I have this page. I have this page. And then there is some sort of ledger paper with laces on the side, and there are flowers. I'm not sure if it shows on camera, but there is flowers very lightly. Then I have this beautiful page. I really love this page. And I have this writing page you can put in your journal, some backing paper, another gorgeous page. I printed it on thicker paper. But what I want to say, these are not all the pages because I have I stopped printing all the ephemera pieces because I don't have the logo in, and when I have to do the flip through I have to put the logo in and make the movie for the Etsy shop. So I thought, well, I'm not going to print all the pages, but I have a short video that I will include over here so you can see all the pages. And how you can enter, well, you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will also drop this little short movie on my Instagram account. And you also have to pop over there, like this post, and leave a comment. And the comment should be LDA name giveaway. Hashtag LDA name giveaway. And of course, enter a name because I need to have a name. So I hope it's clear. I will put everything in Facebook too. But again, like this video, comment on the video with the hashtag LDA name giveaway, and enter your name, of course, and why you should win this kit. And also go over to the Instagram, like the post, and also post your name over there. And while you're at it, maybe you want to follow me. That would be nice. But this is it for today. If you have questions about the giveaway, you can ask me in the Facebook group. There's a link down below this video how you can be a member of the Facebook group. I hope you will be a member only for this giveaway, but to participate in this group, because it's a very fun group. And there will be another challenge very, very soon. But I do have to put some things together, and I hope to do this in this week, maybe at the end of the week. We will see. I will try my best to hurry up, because we definitely need a new challenge, because the challenges are, this one is done, and I think Joan's challenge, 7 words from the heart, is almost finished, or is finished. So yeah, this is it for today. Sherry, send me your address by email, or you can send me a private message, and then I will send a journal to you. Thank you very much all for entering. Once again, have a happy Valentine's Day. I hope to see you next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.